Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube here. Thank you very much for joining me. I just want to give you a quick thank you to all the well wishers that wished John a speedy recovery. My husband, he was rushed off by ambulance after he just went for a routine checkup at the local doctor. He was told that he had said he'd been suffering feeling like his heart was pumping out of his chest, and he didn't tell me, as husbands don't tell their wives when they have health issues, because they think, oh, it's fine, it's nothing. But it did end up to be nothing. Didn't end up to be nothing. It is, his heart is in an irregular pattern, and it needed to, or is it a regular, I can't remember the technical name, some kind of irregular heartbeat anyway, and had to be, he was taken by ambulance, by paramedics from the medical centre, and at hospital he was given medication to try at first to see if it could put his heart back in a regular heartbeat. Otherwise it was going to be kind of a shock his heart to try and get it back in into a regular heartbeat. So here's the medication worked. So he's currently saying, I'm fine, but he has been referred to a cardiologist. He's due for some more, heart cardiograms and gosh knows what, you know, that you have to have when you, so thing is, or the message that I'd like to portray is just make sure your husbands or your men, or even some women are like it, that don't like going to the doctors, that really need to go to the doctors if you want to live on this planet a little bit longer. I suggest that we all make that trip. So, but thank you so much for your well wishes. It was a very big wake-up call for him and me, and a few changes in our life we need to make, but I just wanted to thank you guys so much for the care and concern. So okay, I'm going to push on. This is 40 by 50, and I've just done that background, and it's not actually white, it was white mixed with metallic silver to give it an off-white greyish look. So I'm turning it around, and I'll probably turn it back again, but I want to do this particular part of it like this. So make sure there's plenty on there of my base colour. This I'm going to just do a background now for what I want to continue on with, so I'm just going to try this. I'm going to squeeze some of my purple, and it's Amsterdam purple, and it's mixed with what do you call it? Losing Floetrol. So I'm going to do a background, a lacy background. So let's see how this goes. Might not go all the way down this. Maybe it's going to take over. Holy dooly. Okay. The laciness has popped up, which is what I wanted, so let's just continue on with it. Don't mind those streaks there, that is gorgeous. Very, very gorgeous. This is just a background, so pretty much sure that it will disappear as I continue on. I'm going to just slide this gently down.
Like a movie on repeat, the scenes just go on. I'm hearing your voice in my dreams. I wanna escape you. I really think I made a big mistake.
Okay, love it. Love it, love it. got some purple, just everyday purple, but it's very nice deep purple. So purple lovers, you will love this one. I'm going to go, it's called metallic lavender. It's this beautiful metallics, gorgeous. So I'm going to put some metallic lavender in here. I think it's been a while since I did something that's all in these, you know, lovely lilacs. And I have got some white that just had the metallic lavender in. So it's got this lovely sort of mauvey colour, I guess, but or silvery mauve. That's that's lovely. It's beautiful, beautiful. And I have got a real light one, but I'm not sure if I want to put it in. And just go to the ultraviolet. This is the ultraviolet. So it's all these different violet colours. I think I'm going to keep that there. That really looks lovely. That. Now I have got an orange, but I didn't know whether I should put that in. But first of all, this is what I would like to do with these colours. Is I'll give them a hit over with my heat wand. Lovely, lovely. And see, I had a real nice orange there, but I just think I should keep it to these colours. I'm going to go back to my CATALYST wedge and use my CATALYST wedge. I know there's lots of artists at the moment that are having some fun with CATALYST wedge. They've been out for donkey's years, so nothing new, but not sure whether to blow it first. Shall I give it a go first and see if I was going to blow the paint out first? Might just give this a go. Oh, I love it. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this colour through my background. I hope that it's showing up on the camera. You can definitely go AWOL with this CATALYST wedge. That's beautiful. That is gorgeous. I think I'm going to leave it at that, but that is beautiful. I mean, whole painting with that through, so beautiful. Give it a whiz over with my heat wand again. Out of the way so I don't go and blow it out. And then just gently, she says gently, I'm going to gently blow it. Let's see how we go. need to push a bit of that, soften it up. Wow, 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 wow. I might give it a few soft whispers to break this, just with the other end of the Catalyst wedge. I have got a link to these Catalyst wedges in my, I'll try and put it in the first comment, if not it's in my Amazon store in the description below. But that looks pretty, very pretty. I don't know whether to leave this like this or that looks gorgeous. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Wow, it looks gorgeous. I'm going to bring you down for a close-up. Wow. I love how these have stretched out, forming a whole life of their own. And the Catalyst wedge with that background, it would actually be perfect on its own with the background like that and the colours you choose. Wow, wow, wow. Love it. Look at that. It's the whole thing. Those purples did mesh in lovely. I really feel that I would like to give it my balloon kiss in the purple to add some movement in there. And that's my thing, you know. Lots of people do this style and they, you know, find that that's enough, but I want to put my signature style in there, so I'll just push on for 2 more minutes. But very, very happy with that. Look at that. So I'll be taking some photos of just that to get some prints from. That's gorgeous, gorgeous. Turn it around. Turn it around. Look at those, all those lilac purple lovers will be going. Loving that. That is beautiful. I'm really, really happy with that. Except I want to put my signature style into it. So, winner, winner, chicken dinner. Just going to move this so you can see what I'm doing. Maybe I'll move it up there a little bit so you can see more so. Because I'm only going to be working down that end of it now. Rightio. My balloon, radio, just to add some, soft, straight away, so much softer. Yes, you can absolutely put these onto cards, these balloon kisses. I might actually put them onto a piece of plastic here that I can pull them off at a later date and use the skin. So that softens that area up straight away. Love it, love it, love it. I think really that's all that it needs. Just wanted to, I feel it's softer to me to do this. It gives it a more movement in there and it's just beautiful. These colours really are lovely. Oh, ooh. So it's kissing and rolling, my friends, kissing and rolling. So to my beautiful husband John, sometimes I could, you know, wring his neck. Things, but then other time, of course I would not want to be without him. This time in our lives is a good time in life. Now we're, you know, hopefully relishing the benefits of retirement together. But it's kind of made a few things clearer to us. We're on quite a big acreage property, and John and I have both come to the realisation as we age, we really need to downsize this property, so if one of us is left on our own, we can manage it, you know, that it's not too much. And we certainly I couldn't manage this property without John. He can manage it without me, but I couldn't manage it without him. So this lovely, lovely gorgeousness, I am going to take some photos and let it dry, and I'm absolutely sure it's going to dry beautifully. Please let me know what you think about it. Do you think it needed more colour in there than the lilacs, or do the lilacs do it justice? But basically monochrome, isn't it? Because they were all lilacs, and lighter lilacs and darker lilacs. But I love it. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you so much for your kind words. I absolutely appreciate, and so does John. Thank you so much.
You're like a ghost in my mind. I can't escape you. I need to believe it was right letting you go, 'cause you're like a ghost in my mind. I wanna escape you, but I do not believe it was right letting you go. I can't stand the thought of losing you. Tell me, do you think of me too? 'Cause every song just reminds me of you, and it kills me. No, it was a myth.